Good evening, this is Jan. I'm gonna make a Pita Frikandel, which is kind of a fusion kitchen thing. I'm gonna make the pita as if I would make a pita shawarma, so with the same sauces, the same vegetables, only not with the shawarma, but with the frikandel. The typical Dutch snack, also the most popular Dutch snack. And here I got the main ingredients, 2 frikandels and 2 pitas. But before I will be frying the frikandels and baking the pita bread, I'm gonna slice some vegetables for the salad. Here I got red onion, a medium-sized one. Cherry tomatoes, I will cut these in 4. And lettuce, of course. This looks very beautiful. 2 different colors, kind of purple and green. Here I got my frying pan. There's a layer of extra virgin olive oil in there. In go the frikandels. Start on a low heat. You can always put it more high. It's gonna take about 10 minutes. I'm gonna grill these pita breads for about 3 minutes. Here I got the sauces. I put them in small cups, just like you get them in the grill room. This is garlic sauce, and this is sambal. Well, actually it's sriracha sauce, but basically that is the same as sambal, only some other ingredients. Everything is ready, time to plate it up. Now the frikandels I actually cut in 2 so that they will fit right into the pita bread, like this. Well, they should fit in there. Gonna put the salad right around it. As a perfect fresh side dish. Just a little bit of oregano on the salad. So this is real fusion kitchen. Here you got all the Middle Eastern flavors, the sauces, the vegetables, the pita bread, together with a typical Dutch snack, the frikandel. I'm gonna try this. Of course, with some garlic sauce. And a red pepper sauce. This is gonna be good. This is in fact incredibly good. So much flavor. Frikandel as a snack is a very multi-applicable meat. This is just a recipe that proves it. So one pita bread is already finished. I kind of totally forgot about the salad. You must never forget about the salad. As I will be enjoying my second Pita Frikandel, I want to thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.